and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a human nature mini haul. Human Nature is a social enterprise brand of natural beauty and personal care products, driven by its love for the Philippines, the poor, and the environment. Thus, their tagline, Pro-Philippines, Pro-Poor, and Pro-Environment. Disclaimer lang guys, this is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. So, let's start the haul. Okay, the first one is their natural toothpaste in fresh mint flavor, and it is 98.86% natural. It has It is powered with green mineral plus formula that helps fight plaque, tartar, and cavities, and this is only for 149 pesos. The second one is this all-natural deo stick for 199 pesos. Ang maganda dito is wala siyang alcohol na makakadarken ng skin ng underarms. And it has sunflower oil that helps lighten the underarms, and all natural actives fight odor-causing bacteria. The third one is the tinted lip balm, and it is available in pink, orchid, island kiss, and flame 3. Mine is in pink orchid. This tinted lip balm is for 99.75 pesos. Sorry guys, medyo dinadalian ko kasi hindi pa ako sanay. Sorry, next time gagalingan ko na siya. Sorry. The fourth one is the sunflower bead oil. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga bumibili sa Human Nature kasi sobra talaga siyang ganda. Hindi siya sobrang sticky, hindi rin siya sobrang light. Pero nakakatanggal siya ng dark under eye circles.